It is used to connect machine and output PLT files. Set the output size. Choose size to output. Set the plot mode. Have overlap and separate to mode. Set the plot range. Output design line or pattern altogether. Check it will output. No check will not output. Select the plotter. Set the paper size. It used to connect machine. Choose folder to set the working directory. Check it to save PLT files. Click OK. PLT files. This is overlap. All sizes are overlap. This is separate. Size align one by one. Thanks for watching.